Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today you are looking for something that's 99% natural. You are looking for something that is not necessarily filled with aroma chemicals. Well, Heretic's Perfume is going to be the house for you. I think it's a very interesting concept, and so far they have very strong entries that I have experienced, right? So we're not gonna waste too much time. Like, subscribe, and comment on what you think in the video below. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into the dirtiest of Suede. Yeah, Dirty Suede, dirty. I think it's ready to come out. Let's go ahead and help it. The deed has been done. Unsheathed this thing. Check it out. Yeah, clear, 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 clear. Don't let that fool you. These things pack a punch. Take a look at the Atomizer. Christopher Lee aside, decants. These are the best atomizers that I've experienced. Good Perfume. Boom, Perfume. Good distribution. Powerful smell. Hey. Let me give this one some time. It smells like a digital suede. I don't know what that smells like. What is a digital suede? It doesn't smell like real suede. It smells like somebody's idea of suede. Like, I don't know if I'm explaining that correctly. But it's still changing. It's getting a little stronger. I don't know what I would categorize this as. Now, this is one of the fragrances in the house that is 99% natural. 99% natural. Okay? Take a look. Bam. There's the fragrance. 99%. Right? Oh. Hold on. And then there is the claim. There's the claim. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to zoom in, but it's not having any luck. Oh, well, I guess it doesn't matter. It goes away when you zoom in. So, hey, 99%. Let me know what you guys think about that. That's a very strong number. I'd be very curious to see what goes into this process. So, velvety suede and musk are blended with balsam, jasmine, and a soft amber in this clean and deeply sensual scent. Okay. I think I'm getting balsam. This is a different one, guys. It's really different. In the top notes, you have cedar, white amber, pink pepper. In the heart, you have jasmine, sambac, ambroxan, and balsam. Isn't ambroxan like an aroma chemical? And balsam. And in the base, you have lavender, patchouli, and musk, along with vetiver. I'm definitely getting cedar. Okay, I guess that's why I was kind of confused. Suede is not listed as a note, and I guess that's why it confused me, because I don't smell suede. I am, however, getting cedar and vetiver, musk, and balsam. To be honest, this is a little underwhelming. It's a very neutral type of scent. I would say it's something that you wear all year round. I think a lot of these fragrances are going to be that way. That's just a hunch. I've only smelled 3 out of like 12, I think. Yeah, very neutral, very light. Natural smelling. They definitely smell natural. It just, like I said, the dirty suede threw me off, but if it was dirty cedar, like I'd be like, oh yeah, rock on. But it definitely didn't give me the suede that I thought I was going to get, which is fine because I don't like suede. So I'm not complaining. I actually don't like suede. I think it's an atrocious note. I don't like it. It does have that soda poppy like aspect that the Dirty Hinoiki had, Although Dirty Hanoiki, like in the fourth quarter, came through like Jordan. I don't know what it was about that fragrance, but it really smelled good once it got into the mid. This one is, it started off, it kind of waffled around, kind of just, you know, eked out, and then it went in the direction of Cedar, which is cool. But personally, how much is this? So this is 165. That's a tough 165. I'm gonna be honest. For me, that's a really, really difficult 165. I would definitely wait for this to go on sale, personally. But if you are looking for something that's 99% natural, I don't know if I've ever smelled anything that was officially like a 99%. You know, people say, oh, all the time it's natural, but like this actually has it listed. I'm pretty sure that's back with some sort of certification or something. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm just looking at some of the literature, some of the images here. Yeah, there's nothing really to write home about here. I think the real takeaway is that it's 99%. You know, and I'd also be curious to know, like, because it's 99%, does this really bother people with allergies? Like, is it, because, you know, some people just like are have an affliction for fragrances. So I'd be very curious to know if they can wear this. Or somebody who's very sensitive to fragrances. You know, let's say a woman that is maybe pregnant, you know what I'm saying? And like certain fragrances, like, you know, just drive them crazy. Somebody who's sick, you know, they smell a certain type of fragrance, whatever, they want to vomit. So I'd be very curious in those situations if this 99% like has some weight in that environment, instead of just being like automatically you can't wear anything. I will say, as it develops, it is becoming a little bit more like more of a mid-tier type of fragrance. Not in a bad way. I just mean that like it went from, I wouldn't really recommend this to, this is okay. This is okay. But again, in those certain circumstances, pregnant woman, sick person, somebody with like, you know, crazy allergies, how does it affect them? I think the weight is in that. So let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any experiences with that. I have a ton of food allergies, but not necessarily any smelling allergies, you know, or you know, that type of affliction. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys think? What do you think of this house in general? I like them. I you know, they don't seem to get talked a lot about. I'm not sure why, or maybe it's just not popping up on my feed, but so far I think the branding is really, really cool. The presentation is awesome. The fragrances are different. So yeah, now this is definitely more smooth, and not as harsh as it was initially. Yeah, so I mean, it's a basic fragrance. Again, that 99% I think is really the selling point here. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'm very curious. Thank you for watching. One thing I know for sure, YouTube is making some excellent recommendations right now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.